Well, it came. Here it is. See, there's the tab. This is the Wells Fargo one. There's the button. It's hinged. It's over sides. Just came in a normal box, so we didn't keep that, obviously. I mean, it didn't come with its box. In case you're wondering, yes, it does relate to the bank, as you can see. Because in 1918, they sold their mail express business, which became an armored car service, as you can see. There we go. That's your test button. Where does it connect? I think it's supposed to be connecting to the horn, or touch the horn, like that. Then here's the sensor. '82, '83, '84, '87, '90, and '93. There's their test button. Well listing. That's the vents for the sensor here. Let's use the, whatchamacallit, service connector, like the on first alerts. The bracket was good. Just a sec. This might chirp at us. Get the battery in first. Nope. Hey, did you hear it? Close it. Make it latch. There you go. Cool sound. It's supposed to be a bracket. It said it came with it, but I don't see it. It's back upstairs. Anyway, there's no LED or anything. Just that push to test. Give you one more. Dropped again. Weird. Here, listen. See what it settles on. But anyway, it's really cool. And then there's one with a light on it right here. And I think this was like over there. And then, of course, there was the hardwired version and alarm system versions of it too. We've seen that in a while. One was in the subway of the Methodist Hospital, Rochester. The other was in like a Skyway. I think the test button's here, then this is over here too. Well, there you go, folks. Thanks for watching.